What is going on, you mob? We are doing the ultimate challenge, Domino's versus Pizza Hut. So we're gonna go in here. They're a bit sus already because they see me flying the drones around. But we're gonna go in, we're gonna judge them on timing, customer service, obviously the taste, and the price. So remember them 4 things. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment below. See you inside. Let's go. Sheesh. Boys, straight away, 3 large pieces, garlic bread, and a drink, $39. Could I get the 3 large pieces meal, please?
3 large pizza meal?
Yeah.
Which one?
I'll get a Hawaiian, I'll get a Supreme, and I'll get a Meat Lovers. Come on, boys, let's go. $39, time is 5:55. The angel gods are watching us. Customer service, it's alright, We went with average thing that someone would get right. Supreme, Meat Lovers, and Hawaiian. I feel like they were the main ones that you'd get. Let's wait. My name is probably gonna pop up there, so we'll know exactly when it's ready, and that'll be the time. I would just check the screen. It said 10 minutes. So technically, 6:05, I go back there, it should be done. I'm gonna wait in the car. It's a bit chilly. Me and the cameraman, boys. All right, mob, time check, 6:04. It should be ready by the time we get inside. Come inside, let's go. Quick time check. It is now 6:11. So what is that? 6:11. Boys, welcome to Thornley. Take a look at this beast. What do you do for a living, mate? Holy. This is some type of, what is it? Toyota. Let's go. What do we have? Here. 3 large pieces, 2 sides, and a 1.25 drink. What are the sides? So sides are, you can read it, you can see it, it's up there. Customer service. So I'm standing here for a while. No one's even served us yet. 6:34. Hello, could I just get 3 large pieces and with the meal deal?
Yeah, can I grab your name, please?
Raz.
This is the first pizza you're after.
Hawaiian, Supreme, and Meat Lovers.
And which side you're after?
We'll just get the chips and the Spud Bites and chips. We'll get a Coke Zero.
Is that all?
Yeah. 10 to 15?
15 or 20 minutes, I would say.
15 or 20?
15 to 20.
15 or 20 minutes, boys. Stay posted, we'll come back. Quick time check. 6:38, 15 to 20 minutes, brother. What the heck is that? Straight away, I'm not gonna lie, man. Customer service isn't looking good. Thornley Pizza Hut. First of all, come giving me attitude. Fix your lights up, mate. Look at this. Fix your light. Anyways, 6:38. Come back 15 to 20 minutes, she reckons. To be fair, it seemed a bit busy, but I'm a paying customer, mate. It took, I'd say, at least 4 minutes before I got served. All right, you mob. Time check. It is 6:55. So she said 15 to 20 minutes. 6:55 is roughly, or it should be 17 minutes. Smack on in the middle. Let's go in here and see where it's at. All right, you mob. I just realized that when you order your sides, like the 2 extra sides, you don't get the garlic bread as well. So they've just given us the 2 sides and we don't have any garlic bread. It's not a big thing, but anyways. This is the Supreme. Not bad, guys. Bit of flex in it. Fluffy. Alright. Not bad portion. Let's go in, boys. 1 bite is gone. Supposed to be a large pizza. Crust is a bit doughy. Like, look at this. On to the next. Your Hawaiian pizza, boys. Same thing, bit similar. A lot of toppings. Similar size. Straight in. Actually, this one is a bit better. But how is this cooked a bit different when they were cooked the same? And they're the same crust base. More toppings on this. I'm actually enjoying this one. For the Meat Lovers, we're gonna see who's the best. So out of all these pieces, I'm gonna rate them against Pizza Hut ones, okay? So sauce, just the perfect amount. Like, you can't complain with these pieces, man. These are a good family pizza. Something quick, something a bit cheap. You want to get some pizza, this is what you would order. That's what you'd expect to get. Here we go. Look at the garlic bread. Alright, Bob, let's go straight in for the Supreme. Take a look at this. Base is pretty huge. When I mean huge, I mean fluffy and doughy. A lot of toppings. Look at that. A lot of toppings. Let's go in, boys. Okay, Pizza Hut. Thornley. A little hood dreams. I've been having hood dreams. Anyways, what the heck, man. On to the next. Remember, it's going to be an overall rating. Take a look at the Hawaiian. These pizzas are a little bit bigger. A bit bigger. Pretty firm. Same. Similar type style to the Supreme. Same amount, like more toppings straight away. With this one, there's hardly any sauce. But the base, what I'm saying with these pieces, the bases are so big. Look at this. It's sort of too doughy and overpowering the flavor of the pizza. For the last one, meat lovers, Pizza Hut. Let's try. Straight away, I think this is gonna be similar, man. A lot of toppings, but that base is thick. Cheese, looking good. All the meat and the flavors on top of this pizza helps out with that thick dough. Like, it balances it quite well. It is still a bit too, you know what I mean. What I explained before, I didn't know that you had to pick your garlic bread and something else if you wanted garlic bread. It didn't come with it. Anyways, air fried, unseasoned, spuds. Yeah, alright. Bit oily, but what's this? Sweet chili sauce, boys. Dip this in here, give it a quick sample, why not? Tastes like, you know when you get the chips or the spuds from a swimming pool or a basketball court? Or that's exactly what it tastes like. Air fried, quick, or a canteen, them kind of chips. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about why and who is the best out of these two, Pizza Hut or Domino's, alright? Alright, you mob. Now, the price of the Pizza Hut, $44.75. Customer service, I'm gonna give it a 6.5, bro. Rocked up. It took about 4, we wasn't really acknowledged in the store. Like, they were looking at us, but still done their thing. It was a bit busy, but I still a little quick, be with you in a minute, or, you know, we're doing something, or be with you soon, would have been a good acknowledgement. And then just when like ordering the sides, it's not my shop. I should not know what I can and can't get. Like, help me out, brother. 6.2. The more I talk about it, the more it goes down. 6.2 for the customer service, boys. And then the price, it's average. It's like I said, quick meal, duck down, get a pizza. Time, spot on, 15 to 20 minutes. It was spot on, close to 20 minutes. So wasn't it like we're waiting for ages? So that was pretty good from them. Taste, the pizza taste. So every pizza, the base was thick and the toppings was big, but it wasn't like, it was a bit overpowering in some of those pieces, like the Hawaiian. Like I said, quick feed. All those pieces, I'd give them on an average, maybe a 6.7 max. With that in mind, let's go over and rate the Domino's side of things. All right, you mob, onto the Domino's experience. $39, 3 large pieces, a garlic bread, and a Coke. Start off with the price, $39. I think that's a pretty decent price. Customer service was what you would expect. There wasn't anything bad to say. Right? We walked in, hello, what can I help you with? This and that. The service was average, or just above average, you know. Nothing too high and nothing too low. So I'm gonna give the service about a 7.2 actually. Now the time, they said 10 to 15 minutes. We went back in and I think it was just over 15 minutes, but you can't complain, bruh. Like 1 or 2 minutes here or there, you know, bit of green, you can't complain. Taste-wise, Domino's pizza is what you expect to get. You're not going to get out of this world pizza. Like for taste-wise of the pieces, a 7. I noticed their pieces were a bit smaller and there wasn't too much toppings on top, but it was quite tasty. The base and everything, it was average tasty, you know what I mean? So that brings us to announce the final winner of this challenge, boys. It is time to pick the winner of who's better, Domino's or Pizza Hut. Hit me with the drum roll. Domino's is the winner, boys. Domino's, you are a better pizza, better service, better prices than Pizza Hut. Thank you actually to both of you out in Thornley. Make sure you mob smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and also comment below where I'm going to next, boys. We are trying to hit 5K subscribers. We are literally almost there. Razzie Mac in the building. Thank you so much for watching. We outside, baby. Let's go. Sheesh.